Welcome back to another tech tip by Appliance Video. Today we're going to take a look at why are there random colour stains on your clothing. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of videos on the latest technology. For a limited time, you could save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. If you're noticing a lot of coloured spots or stains on your clothing, there could be a cause for this. The improper use of liquid fabric softener could cause this issue. These stains will vary depending on the colour of the fabric softener. Concentrated liquid fabric softener must be diluted with water when used in the fabric softener dispenser. Do not pour undiluted fabric softener directly onto fabrics or clothing. This will cause direct stains on the clothing that will be very hard to get out. When using top-load washers, interrupting the spin cycle by lifting the lid will cause the fabric softener to be improperly dispensed. To remove coloured spots or stains, pre-treat the stained area, then rewash the item in the hottest wash cycle possible. In most cases, your stains will be removed. If this video helped you, then please like the video and also subscribe to our channel. And I'll be seeing you in the next one.